Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Epstein. Now, this video won't be long, but I'm going to be talking about two things. First one will be image that was generated and released by the JCF of a female who they suspected in playing a role in the tragic, barbaric, as the DPP once said, murder most foul case that you would have seen all over the news. 8-year-old. I'm going to talk about it because picture is interesting, the technology is interesting. Once again, the Irish Republic shows what they're really about. What am I talking about? Let's start with the image. When the image was put out by the JCF, surprisingly, even Prime Minister Umbre posted. I mean, I can't remember seeing him post something like this before. And like somebody ever tell him to post the good things. Remember, that's what they used to tell us over here. We are talking about that for. We are talking about that killing the for. We talk about the good things then. Anyway, the image, when you drop on social media, when I read the comments, I think I'm going to ban myself from reading comments when it comes on to any matter regarding Iron Man and social media, because I feel like I lose a few brain cells. Just listening and watch supposedly big people act like them have no sense. It's draining, and the few little brain cells that me have left. I'm a dinosaur now, I'm losing them by the day. People are saying, you know what this? Man, they can't look so. Oh, this looks so. No man or a man that. Even though the post clearly states it's a computer generated image. It's just the technology for trying to give a rough idea of what somebody look like, and then people who know the person might can say, oh, that look like so and so. Anyway, the next thing I want to touch on is that I see a local protest organized by Emancipation Park, and I was reading about it, and the organizers were saying that they were disappointed with the turnout. Very low turnout. I wonder what they were expecting. So I don't really believe the Jamaican public business about this story. Now I know you say, oh, you can't say that, bro, because that's too harsh. Judge the outcome and judge the results. People turn up for their business about. The little girl is no celebrity. She's no big time artist, no big time influence in a big time position. You see a couple posts on social media and you say, oh yeah man, the people are, it's just national outrage. There ain't no national outrage. People in the business on an 8-year-old losing their life. But you thought there was going to be some kind of big crowd draw. Jamaican citizens will draw a big crowd for going to Krispy Kreme's donut. But can't bother turn up for protest for them say them care about. Them can't bother turn up for the protest regarding an 8-year-old. Them tell us the sun too hot, and they tell us the breeze now blow. But they may turn up in their line the whole day figure buy a donut. That's the Irish masses. What were you people thinking? That child, Danielle Rowe, let me say, no popular, don't have balls. Masses don't care. Next thing more to talk about. Staying on this case. Still not reach the second topic yet. But next thing more to talk about. People are saying can't believe there's a female involved. Can't believe a female was seen CCTV with the little girl and that's a female. Can't believe why and what. You can't believe? Well, I can't believe it's not butter. Yeah, if you can't believe me, can't believe neither. Let's all play stupid. Let's all play stupid. Me can't believe neither. Me can't believe say a woman will do something like this. Me can't believe neither because there's no recording of this. There's no recording in history of females, right, taking part in savage acts. It doesn't happen. Right? Only men are capable of such brutish acts, so when they can't believe and me can't believe neither. Right? None of we can't believe. So the image that JC put out, right, hopefully somebody can put 2 and 2 together, but in my opinion, this is not even necessary because people know what I want. People know what I want and just not say nothing. Just like with Jasmine Dean case, people know what I want and just not say nothing. People know what I want. So, let me say, hopefully JC get a breakthrough, but we are doing our things separate. So when I see people that say, oh, the protest small and nobody not turn on, remember so the same thing happened with Jasmine Dean protest after the hype wear off. When the initial hype wear off, Jasmine Dean protest was scanty. But not turn up now. We've seen this before. And we will see it again. But even the public try and act like them care about the nation's children, they just can't bring themselves to it. Now, if Ironman was a place where people don't protest, we not all them, they understand. But when we love protest, we see when protest for 87 just when a block road and burn tire and go on the most way certain people. Right, so since we don't love protest, I thought we'd, here's an example, here's another chance to protest again. But I guess not. Anyway, final thing more to talk about. This Arville quote unquote accident. Cause remember that's what they were running with the whole time. Accident. Now them say, alright, he hang himself. It just been more to myself, right? What really going on with Kevin Epstein? Remember him? Right, the pastor in St. James. Kevin Smith, aka Kevin Epstein. On his way to get in charge or something like so, traveling vehicle, crash and dead before him could have get charged while he was alive. Crash and dead before he could give any statements, making a testimony. The most convenient accident in history. Quote unquote accident. It's a quote unquote because I don't know. Right? People say, yeah, but he come out in the news say this did go on and that did go on and the autopsy, this said this and but me say I don't know. Right? If it wasn't for certain intel, I'd be reading the news and seeing them say, oh well, the Orville Moore was an accident and the autopsy come back and say it's the accident caused this, somebody will say, oh well, that them say so. What can we do? The only difference between Orville Moore and Kevin Epstein is that with Orville Moore, we have something now and we prove, right? 100% say, and that's how you go. But in a Kevin Epstein case, we don't have nothing, so we just say, alright, what that them say then, okay. But for all we know, could be unicorn meat, as I said, the most convenient accident in history, in Jamaican history. Kevin Epstein know a lot about very powerful people, world of big wigs. If him they ever start talk, just like with the other Epstein, the original Epstein, enough people in a problem. Even before Kevin Epstein dead, remember me telling us that I really spooky if something happened to him and then something got happened to him. Very convenient. But me say, it just, let me scratch my head because, accident and accident. When people want to get rid of somebody who knows too much or is a threat to something or whatever, they don't send them to jail so they can keep posting on IG. Right. I'm just putting that out there for the scholars, the very educated people there who say, me I talk about, I'm sending go to jail because I'm trying to fight against and stop him. No, when somebody is that much of a problem to you, right, they go out in very, spooky quote-unquote accidents, and then there's usually a cover-up of sorts. If they wanted to silence Kevin Epstein, they wouldn't make him go to jail, because in jail they can still talk and give interviews. Some simpleton nonsense. See them send man go to jail because them stop the man and the two of them don't want him to do this. Jail not stop no man from nothing. They can literally go live from jail. Man literally record himself in a jail, a cook feast and a half party. When big wigs truly think somebody is going to do something destructive to them or mash up them plans or whatever, or reveal something, then people go out in very spooky quote-unquote accidents. Here say them hang themselves, just like the original Epstein or Kevin Epstein from Mobile. Hang themselves. I said, but that, you sure that don't really make no sense? Man. And by the way, the videos and pictures I'm telling you, say, right, we have of Orville Moore, the wire on him neck, his foot, right, or his feet, right, are touching the ground. In other words, he's not hanging and he put them a dangle above the ground. Okay, let me break it down further for you. Okay, so he could stand up. Right. Nobody hangs himself in a sitting position. Him put them up on the ground and the wire on him neck. He's propped up against the tree. He's not hanging, right, like when you watch somebody hang and they put a dangle in the air, his foot not leave the ground. He put them up on the ground, see me and the wire on him neck. Right. I know someone hanged himself. But that's what the experts say, so just worry with it. Right, because now they say, well, you know that after anybody do a criminology course, so if you know what the criminology course, the people who do it say he hang himself, so follow them. Anyway, Politricks squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, go live. Politricks squad, stay clean. Bless.